Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Max, and today I would like to show you how you can connect this device using Bluetooth. First of all, go into Devices Settings and tap on Bluetooth and Device Connection. Now you need to select Bluetooth over here and click on this switcher if it's not already on to activate it. Then click on Pair New Device and just wait for available ones to show. When they do, click on the chosen one and wait for the pop-up. In order to continue, you need to select Pair in it and then wait for the other device to accept your connection request. As you can see, my devices were successfully connected. If you wish to disconnect them, you can do that by clicking on this gear icon next to the device and choosing Forget. Lastly, confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!